I'm Anil Kumar, and in this video we'll check if the given vectors are perpendicular or not. The question is, determine if each vector is perpendicular to the line x minus 1 over 2 equals to y plus 1 over minus 3 equals to minus c. We are given two position vectors actually. OP is 1 minus 1 5, OQ is 2 minus 1 0. You can always pause the video, answer the question, and then look into my suggestions. Now, whenever we want to prove that two lines are perpendicular, then dot product of vectors should be 0, right? That's the whole idea. So the idea here is that dot product of vectors equals to 0 for perpendicular lines. Right. Now, so dot product of vectors. Now, which vectors? This is given to us. Now, what is the vector which you're looking into this equation? Well, from the equation, we can always get the direction vector. Right? Now, can you tell me what is the direction vector in this case? So we have equation in R3, direction vector is right there in the denominator, 2 minus 3 and what? Minus z, right? This is kind of important to understand. This could be written as, let me rewrite z as z over minus 1. Do you see that? So this is minus 1, right? So this is how you should see the z as. I hope that helps. So basically, we will find the dot product of these vectors to show whether these lines are perpendicular to give a line or not. So let's try to do it. So it is 2 minus 3 minus 1 dot 1 minus 1, 5. So this is 1. The other one will be 2 minus 3 minus 1 dot, the vector is 2 minus 1, 0 is there, okay? So these dot product should be 0. So you can pause the video, just confirm, and then look into my suggestions. So dot product is, for this, 2 times 1 is 2, minus 3 times minus 1 is plus 3, minus 1 times 5 is minus 5, and that is indeed equal, oh sorry, I wrote plus 5. Minus 1 times plus 5 is minus 5, and this is indeed 0. So that means OP is perpendicular, right, to, let's say this line is L1, okay, to L1. Let's do the same thing here. 2 times 2 is 4, minus 3 times minus 1 is plus 3, and anything times 0 is 0. So we get 7. Since this is not equal to 0, it is not perpendicular. Right. So this is a simple test, dot product, which tells you whether two vectors are perpendicular or not. I hope that helps. Thank you and all the best.